How to generate AI profile picture for Messenger group chat. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have the latest version of the Messenger app. To do that, you'll simply need to go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store to update the app. Once the app is updated, simply open the app and then in here simply select the group chat where you want to generate a new profile picture using AI. So as an example, I'm gonna select this one. And then after that, we'll have to tap on the profile picture of the group chat. And then in here on the pop-up menu, simply tap on this generate photo. After that, you can now start editing or generating your AI profile photo. First, you'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen and then you'll have to describe the image that you want. So as an example, I'm gonna type here flower field and then after that, tap on search. And as you can see here, it automatically generated different photos here. What you need to do is to simply select the photo that you want, and then after that, it will automatically update the profile picture of the group chat. So that's how easy we can generate AI profile picture for Messenger group chat. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.